I thought my bed was clean until I used it. What came out? Hair, dead skin, mites, dust, and that's just from one side of the mattress. It uses UV light to kill 99.9% of bacteria and mites, high-speed suction to pull everything deep out of the fabric, and the HEPA filter traps all the nasty stuff, so it's not blowing back into the air. If you have kids, allergies, or just want to sleep on something that isn't secretly a bug buffet, this is your sign. It's on sale right now. Link below. Don't wait until your skin starts itching.